An equation that is true for every possible value of the variable is an identity. For example, x plus 1 equals x plus 1 is an identity. An equation has no solution if there's no value of the variable that makes the equation true. The equation x plus 1 equals x plus 2 has no solution. Here's some information about equations with one solution, identities, and equations with no solution. We'll start on the left. Equation with one solution. That's an equation that has exactly one solution. An example, y plus 3 equals 12. Another example, x minus 1 equals 3x. An identity. That's an equation that is true for every possible value of the variable. So no matter what we substitute for the variable, it will always be true. For example, 5m minus m equals 4m. And another example, 2y plus 3y equals 5y. Finally, an equation with no solution. That's an equation that is never true for any value of the variable. No matter what we substitute, the equation won't ever be true. For example, 2x equals 2x plus 1. Another example, p plus 3 equals p plus 4. Problem 4. Identities and equations with no solution. What is the solution of each equation? Part A, 10x plus 12 equals 2 times 5x plus 6. When we distribute on the right-hand side, 2 times 5x plus 6 is 10x plus 12. So we end up getting 10x plus 12 equals 10x plus 12. When we simplify, we can subtract 10x from each side, and we get 12 equals 12. The variables are eliminated, and we have an equation that's always true, 12 equals 12. So, because 12 equals 12 is always true, there are infinitely many solutions of the equation. So we can state the original equation is an identity. Part B. What about 9m minus 4 equals negative 3m plus 5 plus 12m? Well, as we work to simplify, we combine like terms on the right-hand side, then subtract 9m from each side, and we arrive at negative 4 equals 5. The variables are eliminated, and we have an equation here that's not true. So, since negative 4 does not equal 5, the original equation has no solution. Your turn, part A. What is the solution of 3 times the quantity, 4b minus 2, equals negative 6 plus 12b? Part B. What's the solution of 2x plus 7 equals negative 1 times the quantity, 3 minus 2x?